Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to fix lag in NBA Live Mobile. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on my phone. So the first thing that you need to do guys is make sure that you close NBA Live Mobile application. Once you close it, go ahead and search for settings in your phone. Once you find this, go ahead and click on it, and then we're gonna be right here. This is how the settings looks like. It might be different depending on which phone you have. So once you here, scroll down until you find apps or applications, and then click on it. Once you click on applications, you're gonna find this list that includes all of the installed applications on your phone. So right now, all you need to do, guys, is search for NBA Live Mobile in this list. Once you find it, go ahead and click on it. And then you're going to be right here. Basically, guys, right here in this menu, you're going to find all of the settings related to this application. So there is the notifications. I'm allowing the notifications. Under it, you're going to find permissions. I only gave it the notifications permission. Right here, you're going to find set as default. I'm enabling open supported links. And finally, right here in the bottom, you're going to find under usage three options: mobile data, battery, and storage. Go ahead and click on storage. And this is the most important page. Right here in the bottom, you're going to find clear data and also clear cache. Go ahead and click on clear cache and then go back and your cache will be cleared. All you need to do, guys, right now is launch the application again and then your problem will be fixed. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.